Now I'll give you another feedback form. So you fill up another feedback form. Here you can write what you want. So write short sentences. You see. So this should serve as a as your writing exercise also. Write as much you like, whatever. And while you will, after the tea, when you are filling up, then I'll talk to each one of you. And in the time remaining, then we'll have another presentation, which we'll do. Okay? That's it. No, I don't.
How if my motility experience in the same product is 70%? Because you have a different population. No different. Why you have?
It happened to me by accident. And eventually, what happened is effectively, okay, fine, I lost that paper, it's good. And I've not because in the back of the mind is another.
Yes.
Asking for
Now they have fixed that.
Yes. How are you? Good. Now I am just talking one-on-one to find out what kind of communication blemishes you ever faced during past times.
So one of it is exactly not able to express myself. Many a times I feel like I should, like even when we were doing this field stuff. So I had the points.
You are ageless. In India, you need to have it.
चाय चुरा के लाओ
डुप्लीकेट बनते हैं
चाहे भूल जाओ किसी को याद नहीं है 570 एसिडी के ऊपर सब भूल गए अभी किसी से डिस्काउंटेड कैश फ्लो बनवाओ ना सब भूल जाते हैं लोन शेड्यूल कोई बनाया है पढ़े रहो डिग्री बनाई रहो
का तो इंटरेस्टिंग था इंग्लिश के पूछे उन्होंने
पास हो स्टडी पासिंग फॉर गेटिंग
किड्स एवरीथिंग विल कम
अरे उनको तो बहुत पढ़ाना मुश्किल है
सिटी एड और सिटी तो पढ़ना ही नहीं जाएगा एग्जाम करके बस उसके बाद तो देखते भी नहीं।
CH की आवाज़ क्या होती है
WH
जैसे हु और व्हाट में WH की आवाज़ अलग है ना
अरे वो तो
जैसे
पूछो
SH तो श है
वो तो पता नहीं क्या क्या पूछते हैं
You are able to express, you are only afraid. You are only a little bit fear, so that border the fear and go right ahead. What else?
Actually, I had a chance to talk to a professional, kind of someone like you are. I actually want to work on my vocabulary. So, what's the best way of doing it? Like, I actually had to talk to my friends or my sister, who's now actually told me read books, read newspapers.
No. First of all, you watch news or any other television. What do you watch?
Normally, my news channels.
Don't watch.
ठीक है लेकिन 8 बजे के बाद भी हमें ऐसा लगता था कि वो बंदा थक गया अच्छी थी मज़ा आया काफ़ी लेकिन अगर देखें आज की बात करो तो आज क्लैरिटी मिली कल थोड़ा मोनोटोनस सा हो गया था एक चीज़ के बाद यार वही हर बंदे उठ के बोल रहे हैं तो मोनोटोनस सा आज मटेरियल आज हाँ सब creative writing
being creative is separate from any when someone tells me English does not mean I'm creative it could mean I am also but I don't consider these things synonymous
Yeah, what I was saying was that in terms of I always feared writing, creative. I remember at least kind of hobby sort of related kind of 2 hours, 4 hours, twice in a week.
Can you tell me
Everybody was supposed to kill.
Are you aware that every company submits a valuation report and
Something like 15 years back, took any write probably an email or write in there. I had more concern with fear in me that I could not write. And I think the one thing which to build my confidence, I remember in my 11th class, my English teacher, question had come in the exam.
Cannot be different from you or anyone else, or do we have significant data? My point is, if a regulator is fine with that volume of data, I don't see anyone in data. My population, my target population is not enough. Then my investigation, whatever results that I'm getting from my investigation are true to my experience, and that is what I can factor in my pricing. Having said that, I totally agree with your point.
Initiative that communication. Otherwise, time when you can do it.
My friends.
Friends. Become. We have 2 years. Listen twice as much as you speak. Make others speak. They love to speak. Listen and observe what are the 6 points. So you know the parameters. The process of observing itself will bring about a change. The moment you find yourself will express your lead our blogs, communication related. There are 2 blogs, General Foundation and Consultants. So you can raise questions, but I write only 200 to 250 words plus some pictures, so that the reader does not take more than 2 to 3 minutes. You are on social media? You are
I'm not active on Twitter.
You can't improve your language.
Yeah. Thank you.
Achha. See, now everyone can individually speak also. He will record. This is your final, because basically we have to wind up at 5 o'clock. We have to leave, right? And this is your final. You can speak on any subject. You can speak on your experience. You can speak about your friends whom you have met here. Eh? You can decide whatever you want. He will be individually बेटा इनका
जी सर
individual बोलेंगे, बैठ के बोलो, खड़े होके बोलो, but he'll maintain as much silence as possible. Okay? Now in school, in college, anywhere.
Not a one-on-one interaction.
Where did you face what problem?
I feel like when you don't have like what
नहीं बेटा, जनरेट बातें मत करो. Your experience.
I'm telling you my experience. I didn't have too much
A
experience.
particular instance you try to.
Any time that I have indulged in public speaking, I've found because I don't have too much experience on the stage, I get too nervous.
When did you become nervous? When did you go to the stage first?
Even yesterday when first 2 times we took the stage here.
बेटा ये नहीं.
हाँ.
You go and
My overall experience of the training is good. Overall experience of the training is good. There are a number of things that I like about it, such as a small group of audience, so everyone get a chance to speak. Simple but basic aspect of communication which has been covered in this session. But I must say that there was something more that I was looking for during this session, and it could have been done into a better way. First day session was quite repetitive. Everyone was asked to speak a loud few lines and paragraphs, which has become quite boring after the initial few hours. On the second day, we have some interesting interactive sessions, but there wasn't enough time to cover all those sessions, and I think that the time in the second day was a bit less as compared to what it could have been.
I would like to summarize my experience in last 2 days. To start with, even the name of the program, it's a communication and leadership skill training. This psychological thing in my mind before coming to this session was I should be gaining more of leadership skill or leadership kind of training or some activity to pertain to leadership things. Although I was not sensing any idea of having more to do with the communication or more to do with focusing on grammar or the English or communicating things rather than I was thinking of more on exercise on leadership skills. What I like about this session is more interactive and giving chance to each and everyone coming in front and speaking. But sometimes again it's become like more of repetitive. Again, what I found is there's a mismatch between the content of the 2 day session. The first day session is I found it more kind of hectic and more. I think it can be much better balanced by splitting the first day session and what we have today to have a more planned and have equal exposure to both the sessions. So that's what I think.
Especially the ambience that is created that I felt when that I love. Training covers all aspects that are related to public speaking, chances to every delegate to come and share your ideas and convince others. I personally feel lot many areas where I lack a lot, and in this workshop I got chance to work on these things and to notice small and minute things that makes a person more dynamic.
First of all, I'd really like to thank Sir and IAI for giving us chance to be in this seminar. Secondly, this seminar has taught me a lot. It has helped me a lot to better communicate myself to others. It has given me a lot of confidence to speak in public. Maybe 2 days earlier I wouldn't have been so comfortable speaking in front of a camera than I am right now. It has obviously, if I practice the teachings that have been given to us during these 2 days, I think it will be really helpful for me in the recently and in the future. Thank you.
I would repeat Sayam's views that I would like to thank III for giving this chance and would look forward to more of such events in future, and I think it'll be even better than this. Rather than sharing my experience of the workshop, I'd like to share my views on the people who attended it. It was attended by 17 people, and it was good to see that the people were from different departments, as in there were people from life insurance, general insurance, people from benefits, as in pensions, there were people from like a consultancy, there were people from life insurance companies, general insurance companies. It was a good experience to meet all of them. And talking about the variety of people, there were people like me who are very new to the profession, there were people who were heads of departments, there were people who are somewhere in between, so it was a good mix of the crowd. So getting to hear the views of such variety of people was an enriching experience for me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Riddhi. Firstly, I would like to thank IAI for organizing such seminars. I have a lot of takeaways from this leadership and presentation seminar. A few of them would be that the first thing is I got rid of my stage fear. He called up us to the stage frequently, and then there was no stage fear at the end of this presentation. Nextly would be that he gave a minimum short preparation time, so that helped me to think faster and then jot down my points and present to it. Then there were a lot of things which I learned new, like emphasis on pauses. I never thought that pause would be so important. These are some of the key takeaways I have from this seminar. That's it. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ashish Prakash. I am going to share my JNU life. I joined JNU in 1997, and JNU is one of the biggest university in India. It has good hostels. It is in 1500 acres, and it is full of greenery, and it is on Aravalli, Thar, and there is a hall also nearby, that is a Priya. It was called Priya Cinema. Now it's become Priya, where we used to visit during our JNU time.
Okay. Yeah, myself is Navneet Kumar Sharma. I would like to share few thoughts about this training program, how it helped me to improve my communication skills. It helped me to make my communication more effective in public and big meetings. It helped me to know the importance of using all the speech organs. I learned how some exercise can help me to improve my communication skills, and personal feedback sessions is going to be more interactive and more useful for my communication. That's it about it. Thanks a lot.
Yes.
Hello, my name is Dalbir Singh. So just would like to give a feedback for these 2 days seminar. Firstly, it was a very unique experience for me. I've learned a lot in terms of communication skill and leadership skills, which was not primarily unknown for me. Stage fear was one of the big factor that I probably it helped me to remove that. These 2 days have teach me how to remove the stage fear and all. So I would like to thank sir for giving these 2 sessions, and also would like to thank II for conducting these sessions, and looking forward for many more sessions like this. Thank you.
That's right.
My experience is very, very good about this seminar. I got whatever I expected, more than that. This is the personality changing for me. I surely changed my communication skill after getting expertise suggestion from my regarding this communication skill. So I would like to thank the Sir Satish Kakri sir and Institute of Actuary of India to conducting such a seminar for the leadership development. Really, it served the purpose, and it's a good thing for the new achievers of the industry. Thanks a lot.
Can I start? Yeah, I'm Umesh. I'm really thankful to Institute for organizing this training program. And I feel the communication skill is as important as technical skill for actuaries. And because most of the time we are supposed to communicate the technical contents to not so technical audience. So communication is the main vehicle. And attending the training has definitely been very fruitful. Personally, it gave me many opportunities to come to stage and address the audience, which I normally don't get in my day-to-day life. And regarding the concept discussed and taught in the training, so I had some understanding, but those understanding was only superficial understanding. So training practically demonstrated that concepts like breathing, modulation, how these concepts really actually help to become a better communicator. And so I can now start working on these the concept and try to assimilate into the communication, and it will also help me to become a better observer also. So when I see a good communicator, then I can notice the application of these concepts by that person. And personal, the major takeaway from this training program is that I have resolved to earmark some time on daily basis for these communications. So I'll definitely giving me training and writing something. So I'm really thankful, and it has been very fruitful. Thank you.
My name is Isha. I would like to tell you about the enemy of happiness, which I have identified today in the session. I would like to mention the few of them over here. The major ones are ego and fear. Sometimes I feel bad when I am about to lose an argument because of my ego. But as I have learned today that we should not make arguments, and the best practice to apply here is agree to disagree. And I really appreciate it and would like to take this in my life. The second one is fear. As I mentioned yesterday also, I have a fear of saying no to someone. Fear of how they will think about me if I say no. Again, I'm about to kill this enemy, as well as I've learned to be assertive and to say no in a very polite tune. I would practice these things daily in my life so as to never allow these enemies of happiness to enter in my life again. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tushar. I came to this training with an open mind. I was pleasantly surprised. The content of the material was exhaustive and enriching. It consists of various exercises that I can practice daily. I also learned about fine techniques of public speaking. Also, the pace of the training was at comfortable level to ensure that we were grasping whatever was being taught to us. The visuals soon were explained with clarity. Personal feedback for everyone was a welcome feature of the training. Overall, the training was very good, and I would recommend it to my peers as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.